Want to translate and dub a Chinese video into English in just a few clicks? In this video, I'll show you how to do it step by step using HitPaw Edimakor. Let's get started. Step 1. Import video into HitPaw Edimakor. Open HitPaw Edimakor and click New Project. If you don't have the software, download it from the link in the description. Import your Chinese video and drag it into the timeline. Make sure the audio is clear for accurate translation. For this tutorial, I'm using a speech by Chinese President Xi Jinping as an example. Step 2. Translation and auto subtitles. Right-click on the video and select Video Translator. Choose Chinese as the original language and English as the translated language. Now select your subtitle preference, English subtitles only or bilingual subtitles. Go to the Style section and pick one of your choice. You'll find multiple subtitle styles, including bilingual subtitle layouts. Step 3. Generate voice and export. In the same panel, choose an AI voice for dubbing. You can customize the language, accent, gender, age, and use case to perfectly match your video. For an even more natural result, you can clone the voice from that video. I've already shared a complete voice cloning tutorial. You'll find the link in the description. Once you're satisfied with the voice, click Auto Subtitles. HitPaw Edimakor will automatically translate the video, add subtitles, and apply the AI voice in English. Preview the result, make final adjustments, and then export your video in your desired format and resolution.
We have successfully achieved our goals and tasks, taking steady steps on the new journey of Chinese-style modernization. Our total economic output has continuously reached new milestones, and this year it is expected to reach 140 trillion yuan.
That's how easy it is to translate and dub Chinese videos with HitPaw Edimakor. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the links in the description for more tutorials.